All right, everybody, welcome back. So, family camping. You know, when I was a little kid, there was nothing better than hopping in the back of my parents' little Ford Ranger truck and heading up to the lake for the weekend. But I must confess something. As a dad, I've kind of hated camping. I mean, all the different little parts you have to gather, you know, before you leave, setting up tents that have like 100 different parts, and then once you get back, having to put all the different crap away, and it honestly sucked all the fun out of it. But today, I'm here to tell you that there's a better way, and you don't need a huge vehicle or RV. With a little bit of organization, you too can take your family camping in any vehicle, simplifying everything and making camping fun again. So the first step in making camping fun again for us parents is making it easy to go and easy to leave at a moment's notice and not a ton of work. So when I reorganized my garage here with these shelves, which you saw me build hopefully in a previous video, I decided, my wife and I worked at this quite a bit, and we decided, okay, all the camping stuff is gonna be right here. And also, this is actually inspired by my friend Ben, who likes to do a lot of camping, and on mini bike trips, I kind of saw how he is ready to go camping at a moment's notice, and I'm copying you, Ben, so thank you for the inspiration, is I put everything I'm gonna need, almost everything I'm gonna need for camping in 2 bins. I got Camp 1 and Camp 2. All right, for this section, you don't need to see my face, everybody. So first thing we got here is, this is gonna be a tent for my 2 kids to share. A little thing, this is a backpacking tent, so very, very easy to set up. I hate setting up complicated tents. This is a Coleman Mini, you know, your traditional camp stove, and also a skillet for skilleting things. So that's why it's in a case. All right, let's go through camp number 1. Camp number 1 is the most crowded of the totes. You have a little garbage can, fire starters, dishes, pots, pans. This all depends on, you know, your own individual wants and desires here. Other stuff, lots and lots of stuff. Bring what you need, but don't bring too much. All right, and camp number 2. Camp number 2, the point of this one is actually to leave a lot of extra space in here. This is about only half full, so that you can put all of your dry food in here. Okay, so that's our bins, and for other little things you're gonna need, of course, at least that we're gonna be bringing on our trip, we have 4 sleeping bags. Cutesy ones for the children. 4 camp chairs. You have to bring, of course, water. So this is our main water jug, and we'll probably also bring other water as well. And then a cooler. So we decided to go with a fancy pants Yeti cooler.
Well, hello, Mr. Fancy Pants.
Again, since we're car camping, space is comes at a premium. And this was actually, I did a lot of research, and this is the most compact cooler for as much storage space inside for food as you can get. And the cool thing is that we've done a test fit, and all of this stuff will load into the back of our car with room to spare for other things, such as, of course, clothes and that kind of thing. So it's really, really cool. It all fits. All right, so the next step in getting ready for camping with a family of 4 out of a car and doing it kind of comfortably and fun and easy is maybe using the space on the top of your car for some pretty cool stuff. So let's do that. All right, everybody, our Yakima crossbars are on and they look awesome. Now it's time for the main event, and to get to that, we're gonna have to go to my very messy shop. Let's go over here. Awesome. So our rooftop tent is installed for the first time. Looks pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. A little tedious with those bolts to attach to the crossbars, but I only cut myself once, so not too bad. Cool, well, we're almost ready to hit the road, but there's a couple more things I wanna cover. All right, that wasn't that bad. So, with the tent installed, the last thing I want to talk about today is trailer hitch accessories. So Amy and I installed this 1.5-inch trailer hitch from Kurt a few weeks ago. And we don't really plan on towing anything, but it's gonna be a really awesome addition for camping. Essentially, we're gonna have two options for trailer hitch accessories. Number one is a bike rack from Yakima that holds up to 4 bicycles, which is pretty cool, or a cargo carrier, which would be awesome for carrying a large amount of firewood, a large cooler, extra gear, or maybe even a mini bike. So I think we covered everything. I guess the next thing to do is to actually go camping.
Cheese!
Cheese!